change this timber. All these have to be moved. Okay, one of the biggest problems we had was that fits like a glove, innit? Hi, I'm Denise from Royale Installation, and today we're returning to a property which has been upgraded with the main service head. So the original meters were all here in this basement flat, and we've moved them upstairs. So here's a picture of how it looked before, and now we have our customer's isolator downstairs. Alright, so this is the main fuse bit that they're gonna change this timber. All these have to be moved. The meters are going upstairs. There's a RSJ here, so we're gonna have to come around here in order to get upstairs and come through here. That's gonna be the best route. Yeah. Go in. So that one right here. You know, you can take off that front piece, this front piece, and mark this one. You know that? That might be a good idea, innit? I don't know if I'm a genius or what. Right. Hey, that fits like a glove, innit? So, if you have a flat, so we've got 1, 2, and downstairs makes 3. And you want your isolators to be in your communal area. Okay, so these are the main isolators for the cutout that we moved upstairs and the meters we arranged for the service providers to come and change them and update his system. Okay, one of the biggest problems we had was when they came to read the meter, all of the meters were downstairs in the flat below. So if the client was out, it was an issue, if she was away. So instead of that, the solution is to bring the meters in the communal area for the upstairs. So they all have their individual meters and their isolators. And so you don't have the inconvenience of having to be in for the upstairs residents when you live downstairs. So this light, I put it in when the floor was open upstairs. There's a big bin here, yeah? So while the floor was taken up, I put this cable. I wasn't sure what she was going to do in the future, but I put the cables in at that stage. Now we can finalize what's going to happen. So we're going to have the socket here, and this one needs to be re-threaded somehow. And go back.